come to workout 18.2, that is in page number 211. You have to do only question number 5 and 8 from this workout. So start from question number 5. So here we can see there is a table. In this table there are some numbers. You can see 20, 27, 50, 75, 100. In this way some numbers are given, and you have to find which number is a square number. That means from which number we can find a square root. Okay, so see here 20. If you try to factorize this 20, you can see, always try to factorize using prime numbers. Okay, you can see 2 tens are 20 and then 2 fives are 10. So if we write in this way, we can see the 2 and 2, the 2's are in pairs, but this 5, this is not in pair. So this 20 is not a square number. If we can see the 5, there are 2 5s or 4 5s, that means there is some pairs and no number is left. So then the number will be square, but this 20 is not a square number. Okay, so write down in your copy, 20 is not a square number. So whenever you are told to check the number is square or not, then you have to do the factorization. Okay, and to make it a square number, what we will need? One more 5 we will need. So write down, 5 should be multiplied. 5 should be multiplied to make it a perfect square. If we multiply one more 5, then it will become a perfect square. Okay, now come to the next, that is 27. You have to factorize the 27 again, and by factorizing it by 3 we will get 9, and again factorize this 9 by 3. So we will get 3 3's. So write down in this way, 3 into 3 into 3. These 3's are in pair, but this 3 is not in pair. That means again 27 is not a square number. So write down, 27 is not a square number. 27 is not a square number, and we need more 3. So we have to write 3 should be multiplied. 3 should be multiplied to make it a perfect square. Okay, so write in this way. So similarly do the 50, 75 in this way, and 108, these are the same type. I am showing you the number 100. So we have to factorize this 100 in this way. You will get 2 50s and then 2 25s, then we are getting 2 5s here. So we know that how to do this. So write down in this way, 100 equals to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So we can see 2 2's and 2 5's. So these 2's are in pair and 5's are in pair. That means this is a square number. So write down in this way, 100 is a square number, and don't need to write the second line. Okay, so the numbers which are not a square number, for that you have to write the number which we need more, so that we can get a perfect square. But for the square numbers we don't need to write any extra line. Okay, so do the remaining numbers in this way.